Hey everybody, welcome to Wide Family Farm. We have another product review here, unboxing here. I've already opened it, I'll admit that. This is the Olafus, it's the 9,000 lumen 100 watt model. There's a coupon right now, as of today, when this video will probably come out tomorrow, but there's a coupon to save 50% off. That is a really good coupon. It's on there on Amazon right now. I just saw it 2 minutes ago. So we'll go ahead and open this up and show you the light. Like I said, I already opened it up and looked at it, but I couldn't help myself. But simple wiring, you get your 3-wire. You got the labels again in here in case you didn't know. Always consult an electrician if you have to, if you don't know what you're doing when you're installing electrical stuff. But this is nice. This is a sealed unit, so you have less way for water to get into everything. We'll see here. Nice cooling fins on the back, because these higher wattage LEDs can get very hot. I know everyone thinks LEDs don't get hot, and they do. They get very hot, especially the higher the wattage. But these, you got adjustable side panels. They can be adjusted up and down. You can have it all straight forward. This adjusts up and down. The only thing I really wish it did is if you could adjust side to side with the main panel. But I know the other light that we got from them that is installed, Courtney will do a side by side. She'll put a picture of the other one we installed and then this one to show you the difference. This one is a little bigger. Definitely got more LEDs in it. So this, I think the other one, I can't remember how many lumens it was. 5,000, I think. 5 or 6,000, I can't remember. But this one's supposed to be 9,000, and that other one is super bright. So I am excited to see how this one works out. You have your light in the box, wire nuts and screws if you have to anchor it or whatever. You have the gasket and your piece for your electrical box. Instruction manual. Yeah, our other one came pre-wired with just a plug on it where you just use an extension cord or whatever, easy to move or whatever. This one is a permanently wired light, but your safety guide, whatever's in here, that's strange. Probably just telling you, consult an electrician. That's what it should say. Because if you don't know what you're doing, you could burn your house down. You don't want to do that. That's everything that comes in the box. Like I said, it's a really nice design. Like everything's sealed up. Nice. You don't have like an exposed thing to hold water and ice and everything if there was a leak. But we'll get this thing installed, and later tonight I'll come out and make a video and see how it works. Alright, I got everything wired up. Got my gasket on. There's a water sealing gasket on there. This is real simple. This is a 1-bolt. Goes one center bolt through the center here into your anchor plate, and that's how it holds it on. Feed my wires back in there. So far, I'm really happy with every product that we've gotten from these people. It is quality as far as I can tell. The light that we hooked up at the barn is still working correctly. So just as simple as that. Now I just gotta tighten it down. There it is, good and tight, ain't going anywhere. Kind of get everything adjusted where you want it. Then there's some screws that you can tighten up right there where it adjusts, where it pivots, that'll set those right where you want them. This one, I'm going to leave kind of loose in case I need to move it while I'm cutting firewood or anything. And just take a broom handle or something, move it over here right to the firewood area, a little extra light. I'm going to move this down, kind of angle it a little bit, because I want it to pick up when I walk through here. Hopefully, well, I imagine this is going to work perfectly. I will not need a flashlight going out to the barn at night. All right, my installation is complete. I will be back tonight when the sun goes down, and we'll see how good this thing works. All right, I am back after dark, and as you can see, the light's working. I have to keep my head there in front of the light or it'll completely blind the camera. It is pretty bright. I'll flip the camera around here and show you how good it's working. Yeah, can't really tell much from this because it's like blasting out the camera, but it lights up my whole area here where I cut my firewood and stack my firewood, which is awesome because I will be able to, on those nights when it's getting dark and I want to finish and I want to keep working, plenty of light now. This lights up all the way back there to where I can see all the way to the barn to where the other light will kick on. I can actually see, it's hard to pick up on the camera, but I can actually see in the barn, which is awesome. You can see if something's in there moving around. Lights up the garden area, and with the combination of my other lights, I have the backyard pretty well covered with lights now. I just have to fine tune the adjustments on this light to make sure it's turning off and on when I want it to, but as you can tell, it works. Yeah, once again, the quality of their lights did not disappoint. I am happy with both products we've tried from Olafus. Thank you for sending us the product to try out. Very happy with it. Like I said earlier, there's a coupon on Amazon right now. Regular price, I think $87.99 for this light, the 9,000 lumen, 50% off right now. That's a really good price, guys. So if you are in the market for a light, check these guys out. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.